How to log in the Facebook Lite app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and I will guide you to log in into Facebook Lite account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure you have the Facebook Lite app installed. You can get it from App Store or Google Play Store. Now tap to launch Facebook Lite application and then you will land on this login section. Simply, you need to enter all your credentials, that is your mobile number or email address and the password. In case you forget your password, tap Forgotten Password link underneath Login button and then recover your password. So let's enter all the credentials and tap Login button. If you wish to save your login info, tap on OK button, otherwise tap on Not Now. Here you need to access contact by tapping on Continue button. Or for now, let's tap on Skip button. Confirm your email address. Now you can add your friends or simply skip this step as well. Now you have successfully reached on the home page of Facebook Lite account. So here you can access or allow Lite to send you notifications and then you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.